Wait! Baby Bubu, don't press that button! Uh-oh, Baby Bubu just turned off gravity.
Gravity is what keeps us on the ground. Whoa! Everything is floating! Look, the toys, the juice, even the dog! Catch the cookie, Boo-Boo! Oops, missed it. Gravity pulls everything down to Earth. No gravity means everything floats away. Uh-oh, this isn't fun anymore. How does Baby Boo-Boo get back down? Quick! Press the button! Yay! Gravity is back!
Gravity keeps us safe every day.
What would you do with no gravity? Wait, is Baby Boo-Boo going to press it again?